And welcome. 7. You can see the weather is so nice today. Okay, let me go straight to the point. Some people that normally do live video, and you see people putting angry face on the video, and you hear things like, "Oh, go kill your mama, kill your papa, kill your family, kill your generation." I read they do the put for this. So some people will spend 1 hour cursing out. My dear, stop your ignorance to your country self. Why you be say waiting and not know, I go just jump enter one. Later now they fool themselves, they fool everybody around you. Red Dead for video. You be like share, comment, like, embrace, hate, whatsoever. You don't stop your video. You don't give anything to your video. You're not negative or positive. You don't just get anything to do whether the video will be watched or not. But when they see some of them, when they fool on themselves because of Red Dead, they shout for live video. When I go to educate on ourselves for something before they jump enter the door, thereby fooling ourselves for public. Let's put Red Dead for my live video. You don't stop my live video from anywhere. So all those cursing for some, I've seen some people cursing for 30 minutes because of Red Dead. I've seen some people cursing for 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes because of Red Dead. If Facebook don't want to do this package complete, they know say when you they talk, some people no go like what you they talk. Some people go like her. Some people go there happy. Some people go there sad. Some people will hate your video. Some people will like your video. So that is why when you put it in public, people will come with different opinion, different whatsoever. Some with insult, some without insult. That is why all that buttons they there to satisfy human curiosity, to satisfy human reaction and behavior to the video. As that Red Dead day, angry face day, that is why love day, hate day some video self, embrace and whatever, all full of. So I don't see why somebody will be cursing out somebody for because they put angry face or Red Dead as they call and put for your video. You will sit down 30 minutes cursing. One are the shame, African people. One are the shame. I don't know how they do live video, eh? People they do live video, they carry thousands of euros, dollars enter house every day. You don't see them cursing out on people for putting like hate, whatever. At times I won't plug hate for my video. You can hate it. If you know what you are doing, you don't have to listen to people's opinion about what you are doing. You just have to focus on what you are doing to do it better, and you have to know you cannot satisfy everybody. You can never satisfy everybody's expectation about you when you are in the public, because you don't be jollof rice where everybody want like. So all those attitude of Bessie Papa will they cause Bessie for live video because of Red Dead. Bessie Mama will they cause Bessie for live video 30 minutes, 20 minutes because of Red Dead. I beg, one of the shame, people of bedroom. One of the shame, especially the Facebookers people. One of the shame. People are entitled to their opinion as far as they not be insult. When it is their opinion, you leave it. Facebook that put all those buttons there, they are not fools. They put it there so that people will react to the video they are watching. If they love it, you will see a lot of love. If you see they don't like it, you will see angry face. If you whatever, it doesn't matter. It doesn't stop you from doing what you know how to do best. So at times, I beg that they shame for at times. We just carry ourselves so low All those buttons are there for people to make good use of it. You don't have to be annoying all the time. Your family, your generation, you go die, you go do this. I beg. Mona save Africa from embarrassment. Beg, we know so many that illiterate beg. Mona say they use that on our illiteracy. Mona say they call down small. Make people know they see and come to shame. I beg. Stop shouting and insulting people for putting angry face Red Dead on your video. I've researched on Red Dead to see what negative impact it has on your video. It has no, and it has zero negative impact on any video that Red Dead is being pressed. Or zero, completely zero. It has zero negative impact. Okay? So sisters, mona chill, brother, mona chill. Mona stop to the insult people. It is, those buttons are placed there to see the reaction of people to your video. Facebook will never bring any video down because of Red Dead's many for the video, because of angry face many for the video, because dislike many for the video. It is not done anywhere. So why all the insults? Some will be doing live video. When they see Red Dead, they will stop and start cursing for 20 minutes. Is that not a disgrace? Is that not an irresponsible behavior? It's very irresponsible. So that is it. You have to wake up and grow. Before you start doing anything, good morning. Before you start doing anything, you have to research very well to know what you are doing. You have all the questions and answers in front of you. So stop fooling yourself. And bye-bye, everyone. It's the real Edo girl, 247. Talk am as it be. We know the fear, bekos, go the carry, nash. Bye-bye, everyone.